So hello guys, and welcome back to our channel, and we are back with another video on this channel. And in this video we're going to be talking about a pattern that Bitcoin is currently seeing, and that we have officially gotten the breakout from that pattern, and we're going to be talking about what our price target could be in the upcoming times and what we could see we are back from that price target and which way we could head next. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at that, and without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Before we do start, please do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get started and let's head right into the screen. So if we move over and change this scene, we are on the Bitcoin USD chart, and we are on the 45-minute time frame for now. And as you can see right here, we did see a symmetrical triangle forming in Bitcoin, and we have seen the breakout, and we are even back from that. This was our lowest point, and we are even back from that breakout. So if we take a look at this line right here, this would be our price target, and that's what exactly we saw after this breakout had happened. As you can see, this technical price target, we did hit that, and we are coming back from that. We did hit the high again once again, and we are on our way back, moving upwards. So this symmetrical triangle was on the this is a short-term pattern that we are seeing in Bitcoin currently, and as you can see, it was formed during an uptrend. So that was another it was formed during an uptrend. We were supposed to see a breakout to the upward side, but in this case we did see a breakout to the downward side, and we confirmed this breakout around 3:15 or 4 p.m. today, and this is where we officially saw that we were gonna break out to the lower side of things. And if we take a look at the technical price target, we could find out our technical price target by calculating how much difference from the top to bottom was in the beginning of this symmetrical triangle. So you can see this is where we started this line from, and we can just draw a line from the top to the bottom of this triangle, displaying what our next price target could be for this pattern. And if we just take this line and drag it over to our breakout point right here where we did break out from, this was our technical price target. So let me just draw a line right here. This was our technical price target, and as you can even visibly see, we did hit that technical price target that we were supposed to hit, and we came right back from that price target, and we are back. We had a reversal from that pattern, and we are now heading back to the positive direction. We did go as low as around 50.6k right here, and now we are heading back since we had some consolidation over here for quite a bit of time, around 2 hours, and now we are heading back to our regular upwards direction. We did see the price hit the 52k range once again after this low number of around 50.6k, and we are moving back in the upwards direction. So we could expect something like this in the upcoming times. We're gonna keep you updated what the upcoming price trends of Bitcoin will be, and we did tell you about this trend before this happened. So do make sure to join our channel to ride any upcoming more trends like this. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about the pattern Bitcoin was seeing, and we officially got in the breakout. We could even figure out the technical price target by looking at the pattern itself, and now we are moving out of that pattern once again, and we are heading back in the upwards direction because we have hit that low price target, and now we are returning from the lower side. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, and if you're new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about the recent crypto news or the recent price movements that has happened in the market recently. So I do talk about that daily live on this channel, so do make sure to tune in. And I also create long form content like this, talking about any recent price changes or any recent patterns that a cryptocurrency is seeing, to keep you updated and to tell you about an entry point for this trade to make some really decent profits. So do make sure to tune in the videos also. So if you did enjoy, please do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.